Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet this really easy and beginner friendly Shamrock leaf coaster. As you may see, I've used different type of yarns, cotton yarn, acrylic yarn. Now I'm going to use woolen yarn, so you decide which type of yarn you want to use. For this tutorial I'm using 4mm knitting needles and medium weight yarn. Start with a magic ring and chain 3. Now make 16 double crochet into a magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, doing it very slowly, 8, 9, 10. Please go on crocheting. In total 16 double crochet. I've done 16 double crochet. Now pull tail to close circle and join in first double crochet. Now chain 3 again. Now 2 double crochet in the same stitch in this one, double crochet, and now make 2 double crochet in each stitch till the end. 2 double crochet, so we are making increases. Into the next stitch again 2 double crochet and 1 more double crochet, then again into the next stitch 2 double crochet, 1, and 2. 1 and 2. Please go on making 2 double crochet in each stitch. Again we are going to join with slip stitch in first, this one, first double crochet. Perfect. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Treble crochet means yarn over hook twice, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Now into the next stitch make 2 treble crochet. 1 and 2. Now into the next stitch make 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet. Now into the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now again into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Double crochet and treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch 2 treble crochet, 1, 2. Now into the next stitch 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet. Treble crochet and double crochet now. And now please pay attention, into the next stitch make a slip stitch. And that's what we are going to repeat 3 more times. So once we make into the center after the first leaf, we make a single crochet, and then after the second leaf slip stitch. So now let's repeat again. Into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Now into the next stitch after 2 treble crochet, into the next stitch 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet. And now pay attention, we make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now we are going to repeat again 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet into the next stitch, then 2 treble crochet into the next stitch, 1, then 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And here into the next stitch make a slip stitch. So we did half, go on repeating this part 2 more times. So here I am, that's what I have. Now let's make a stem. So the last stitch make a slip stitch. Now chain 9 for the stem. Into the second chain from hook make 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet in next chain, and then half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in next 6 stitches. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now cut the yarn. I'm going to use a yarn needle. You may use also a hook, but smaller size. So to join, insert the needle underneath both loops. Here. Pull the tail and now insert the needle into the last half double crochet, into the last one, into the center here, like this. Now weave in ends. And pull. Proceed with this tail as well. So here it is. Here is my Shamrock coaster. This one I did using acrylic yarn. This one is also acrylic and wool, and this one is cotton yarn. So you decide which one you like. I think the best variant is cotton, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!